Hey guys. In this video, you will learn how to say the months of the year in Japanese. So without further ado, let's get started. January
1月1月
February
2月2月
March
3月3月
April
4月4月
May
5月5月
June
6月6月
July
7月7月
August
8月8月
September
9月9月
October
10月10月
November
11月11月
December
12月12月
What month?
何月何月
This is the end of this video. I hope this video helps you learn Japanese language. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button below.